Madison!
Hey, Fern, how's it going?
I'm pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah, except now I'm actually wondering why you're sitting all the way over there because I have a perfectly good spot for you right here.
It is a really good spot, Fern. You know what? Right now, we're practicing something called physical or social distancing. Right now, we need to stay at least 6 feet apart from people that we don't live with.
Oh, whoa. 6 feet?
6 feet.
6 feet seems really far.
It does seem really far. It's about the length of a bed or a really long hockey stick.
Well, that's kind of fun. Or maybe like 2 husky dogs.
Oh, yeah. Or a really tall basketball player.
Yeah, like lying down.
Yeah.
Or like a caribou.
Caribou?
Yeah, I met a caribou once.
What?
Yeah, she worked for Santa.
Oh, and she was 6 feet long?
Yeah, she's very important.
Cool.
Yeah.
So that's how far apart we need to stay from each other right now.
Okay, that's fine, but actually, Madison, I'm just wondering why that is.
Well, Fern, what we know about the COVID-19 germs is they can travel as far as 6 feet whenever we cough or sneeze. So if we're with people that we don't live with, if we stay 6 feet apart, we have less of a chance of giving each other those germs.
Oh, that sounds good. Hey, wait. I have some friends who say that their parents are working from home and that they have to do their school at home over the computer.
Yep.
Is that also because of COVID-19?
It is. So we're trying to make sure that everyone stays in their home so that we don't spread those germs around. So that's why people are working from home or they're off work right now or if they're doing school in their homes. All of those are ways that we can keep each other safe from germs.
Okay, so everybody has to stay in their home.
And you know what? It's all right because we can still find lots of other ways to connect with our family and friends.
We can?
Yeah, there's virtual ways we can do it.
Okay.
So we can do things like video calls, we can do things like texting or emailing or sending each other letters and pictures in the mail.
That is really fun. So you can still talk to like your family and friends all the time. You just have to do it virtually, like over the computer, over the phone or something.
Yeah, exactly. And or if you're going for a walk by yourself or with someone from your family that lives in your home, if you see someone across the street that you know, you can still wave and say hello.
Yeah, you can still say, hey, we're still neighbors over here. But don't come close to me.
Not too close.
Yes, and I'll stay away from you. Yes, to keep everybody safe.
Everyone will be as safe as possible if we do this physical and social distancing.
Okay, well, that's not so bad. I think I can do that.
think
In
you can
fact,
do that.
I know I can do that.
I think that's the right attitude, Fern.
Okay, should we play rock, paper, scissors?
Sure. All right. Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh!